Hey, good morning and welcome to SAR Trail. This is Natalie, I'm Jeff, and we are out at Padre Island in Texas. And I'm going to show you some footage of this place. It is gorgeous. But right now we're a little bit hungry, so we're going to be making a green chili breakfast bowl. And this is really super awesome. Made with Colorado
hatched green chilies.
Hatched green chilies. Natalie's going to tell you all of the ingredients. We're going to show you how to make it. If the seagulls let us. We're going to show you how to make it, and this stuff is so good.
Okay, so this is homemade green chili. It's chili season in Colorado, which is really awesome time. You can buy roasted green chilies on just about any street corner from Pueblo, and they are so good. So I made green chili. I like to make it in big batches and freeze it, and then we can have it all throughout the year. So that's what this is. I'm going to pour it into this bowl and start warming it up. We've kind of had to make a makeshift windscreen here because this little tiny burner doesn't have its own. Okay, so it's really simple. Just dump it in the pot and get that warming. We like to serve it with eggs over easy and fried eggs on top with some sausage. So I'm going to start doing that on the scuttle right now. First I'm going to chop up the sausage first and cook it, scoot it to the side, and then fry in some eggs to go on top. By the time all that's ready, this should be hot and we will be ready to eat. Okay, so I'm just chopping these up. So the green chili is hatch green chilies. These are, I use medium heat, just so they're not so hot that Bailey can't eat them. There's onion, diced tomato. I use chicken bone stock that we make as the broth. Some seasoning, salt, pepper, cumin, and it just simmers for about an hour or so, and it just is so good.
Okay, while Natalie's doing all of the prep work there, I'm going to show you around our campsite. And actually, our campsite is pretty much the entire beach. Just let me show you, because this place is gorgeous. Okay, so if you haven't used a Timbo Tuscatl before, these things are really awesome. We've met the owner, Jerry, met him on a couple occasions. Absolutely love his product, and he's a guy that stands behind his product, and it's just really good. So we're using the lid now because there's so much wind out here that we're trying to hold in as much heat as we can. So that way, when we cook the sausage, and the sausage already in there, right?
Mm-hmm. That's what's on there now.
Check it out, let's see. Oh yeah, we're cooking good now. Ooh, that smells good. So it just holds in the heat, and honestly it keeps some of the sand that's blowing here on an occasional gust from getting it. But this thing's super cool. Want to show the bottom bit? It's got a propane tank down here. You got the burner, we got the wind deflector, which is a huge upgrade. If you get one of these, get the wind deflector if you're going to camp anywhere where it's windy, which for us it seems like it's everywhere. But really great product. And Jerry, when you watch this, we need to get those longer legs from you because we're taller. And he just came out with longer legs for this thing, raise it up a little higher. If you are a little bit taller person, I recommend you get the longer legs from day one and buy it that way, but super great camp cooking product. Okay, so the sausage is ready, and what Natalie's going to do is move that over to the side, and that will keep it warm on the side of the scuttle without really keeping it cooked, or cooking it anymore, I'm sorry. And then she's gonna get some more oil on there. Woo. Some windy oil. And now we're gonna bust a couple eggs in there. And what are you doing? A little bit of butter as well, just for flavor. Nice. And what kind of oil are we using today, baby?
Avocado.
All right, avocado oil, a little bit of butter. And then we're doing these sunny side up?
Yeah, right. I'll probably flip them.
All right, perfect. All right, so the green chili soup is almost up to temperature. Looking really, really good. Smells really, really good too. Okay, meanwhile, over at the scuttle, we have the lid back on this. Keep that heat in to fry those eggs. And those are gonna be ready in just a couple of minutes. All right, so Natalie's using a little bit of pink Himalayan salt on there, and then we're gonna pepper those as well. Okay, so we're getting these bowls ready. The green chili soup. And what are we doing, bay leaves first? All right, awesome. We're gonna show you all the ingredients now, how it all works out. The green chili, you can buy the green chili soup. Natalie made hers. She made it this way, her own. We're gonna put the ingredients for that green chili soup. We'll post it in the description box. And now, get some sausage in there. Egg, beautiful. Throw an egg right on the top, and then we're going to top it off with some avocado. And then that's it. That's what it looks like. I'm going to take this one out to Bailey, and then we're going to grab our breakfast. How is it, baby?
Great.
You liking that, baby?
Yeah, it's good. I love green chili.
Mm-hmm. Really good. I tell you what, this is so good. The green chili soup has tomatoes, onions, bone broth, all that kind of stuff. So it's a lot of vegetables crammed into this thing. Mix in the sausage, the egg, and the avocado. Oh, that is a really, really good breakfast. And that's one thing a lot of people, they scrimp on when they're out camping. It's just you don't eat good food. But man, if you can eat good, as good as you do at home, or honestly, even better, this is so, so good. One of my favorite breakfasts, period. Thanks for checking out Sour Trail and our green chili breakfast bowl. It is super awesome, super delicious. Tell us what you think. If you got any ideas of something you'd like to see us cook while we're out camping, let us know and we'll give it a try. Thanks a lot.